Welcome! In front of me I have POCO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see the POCO Watch on the device page. Now scroll down through this page and find the unpair button. And once you find it, tap on it, then tap on continue, and the watch will be unpaired after a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's gone from the device page, so we can close the application. And once you close the app, you can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's open the quick panel, press and hold on the Bluetooth icon. And here you can check if the watch is on the list of paired devices. It's not here, so we can close the settings. If it was, by any chance, you can tap on the settings icon next to it or info icon next to it, and then tap on unpair to remove it. Anyway, it's not here, so we can close the settings. As you can see, the watch also resetted itself to the factory default settings, and it's trying to connect to other devices, and it spams about it for some reason. But that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.